Now we have another tech expert with me, Smita. How software industry is changing with the AI?
Hey, hi Dhruvin. First of all, thank you so much for giving me opportunities to share my thoughts. So now with the AI is taking a lot of headache of us. So we developer don't have to do everything from the scratch, and we are getting a really very good free time for ourselves also. So we can think a lot of innovative things also with ourselves also and with help of AI. So AI is definitely changing the entire world, and there are new opportunity also AI generating for everyone.
All right. Thank you so much, Smita, for sharing this. Now, just tell me, do you think AI will replace human jobs?
No, Dhruvin, I don't think so. AI will never ever replace the human jobs because the AI needs the requirements clearly, and we humans are always demanding, and we are always in this changing world. So every time humans are doing this changing in their requirements, so AI will not get that clear requirements, and in that case, AI will never ever replace any humans.
Thank you so much, Smita, for your thoughts on AI and software industry.